Every enterprise's code estate is a living system. Every release adds new logic, new dependencies, and new risk. Over time, that estate expands and grows into a city, but the map of that system remains a few steps behind. It starts simple: a few systems, a few databases, a few documents. Then, the business grows. New roads are added, old ones are patched, shortcuts appear. Critical systems connect in ways only a handful of people understand. And one day, you realize the city still runs, but the map is out of date. The documentation is old. The dependencies are hidden. The risk is hard to see. And every change takes longer than it should. That is more than an operational problem. It is a security problem, because you cannot protect what you cannot see. You cannot fix what you cannot trace, and you cannot govern what keeps changing in the dark. Runestone changes that. Runestone is an AI-native code intelligence engine on vector mind that builds a living map of your code estate. It collects your code and turns it into a connected knowledge graph. It records every change as a versioned commit, and it puts AI agents to work continuously analyzing, documenting, and maintaining this knowledge. Think of it as a code survey team: engineering archive, security patrol, and control room in one. Repositories keep a full history of what changed, when it changed, and why it matters. And the graph shows how everything connects. And this is where Runestone becomes more than a map. It becomes a governed analytics layer for enterprise risk. Queues orchestrate the work. Linting keeps agent output compliant. Audit trails show what happened. With CXQL, teams can query the code estate like a living intelligence layer. Bugs, vulnerabilities, ownership, dependencies, drift, severity, and triage status. So, instead of waiting for risk to surface late, teams can see what is changing, what is connected, and what needs attention in real time. The result is simple: assistants that understand your actual systems, code quality checks that happen continuously, security concerns that are identified, routed, and tracked, and a governed knowledge layer that keeps pace with the business. Because the problem was never that the city was too complex. The problem was that the map stopped keeping up. Runestone turns your code estate into a living, versioned intelligence layer, mapped, documented, analyzed, and continuously inspected by AI. And then it helps patrol it. Always current, always governed, always watching for the next change.